Hello student, this is Mehnaz Khan from Gyanasthali Public School. Student, I am your English teacher and today we are going to discuss your syllabus in 10th class for English Language and Literature for session 2020 to 2021. Student, you are having two literature book of NCERT, First Flight, Second Footprint Without Feet. From both book you have to prepare your extracts, short question answers and long question answers. Student, in your grammar syllabus, basic thing you are having tenses, models, use of passive voice, subject, verb, conquered, reporting. In reporting you are having command, requesting sentence, statements, questioning, clauses you are having, determiners, preposition. On the basis of these points, integrated exercise you are having of gap filler, editing, omission, sentence reordering, sentence transformation, whether it is dialogues exercise or procedure exercise. In writing section, we are having short or extending writing tasks. It may be letter writing or article writing or descriptive paragraph basis on places, person or event. It may be diary entry. Next major writing task will be your story writing. There in your question paper you will get a beginning sentence of a story. Then you have to complete the story on basis of that beginning sentence and you must write title and moral. For title writing you will get 1 mark. Let us see section wise weightage. In English, we are having three sections, section A, B, C. In A section, your reading skill will be count. There will be two comprehensive unseen passages. It will carry 20 marks. In B section, your writing skill and grammar will include. Writing skill will have 18 marks and for grammar you will get 12 marks. In this way, total 30 marks you will get. In C section, literature will be count. Your both literature book will have the questions or all things will include here and it will have 30 marks weightage. In this way, total 80 marks question paper you will have in your board examination. Beside this student, you are having internal assessment. For internal assessment, your class test weightage will be 10 marks. Your reading skill, your speaking or listening skill will have 5 marks activity and your notebook maintaining will be 5 marks. In this way, total 20 marks internal assessment will be there and 80 marks question paper you will have in your board exam. Total 100 marks your exam will be. Student, I am sure that you are having query in your mind that what type of question paper you will get in your board examination. Let us discuss. I am having blueprint for your question paper. Your first question will be your unseen passages. There will be two unseen passages. In first unseen passage, you will have 8 marks, 1 marks each question. Total 8 marks exercise. And second unseen passage will have two type of questions. 4 question will be descriptive. You have to give answer 2 marks each answer and 4 question will be vocabulary based 1 marks each. In this way total 12 marks unseen weightage will be for second unseen. Your second question will be your writing task. It may be your letter writing or article writing or diary writing. It will have 8 marks weightage. Your third question will be story writing and it will have 10 marks weightage. In grammar, question number 4 will be gap filling. There you will get fill-ups. 4 fill-ups you have to fill on basis of given options and it will carry 1 marks each fill-up, total 4 marks. Next question will be your editing or omission exercise and for this correction you will get 1 marks each, total 4 marks. Question number 6 will be your sentence reordering or the fill-up of dialogues. It will also have 1 marks each, total 4 marks. Next, you will have 2 extracts from your literature section. Any 1 extracts you have to select to give answer and there will be 4 questions from your extracts, 1 marks each, total 4 marks. Your question number 8 will be short question answers. You have to give answer any 5 questions and 2 marks each, total 10 marks you will get. Question number 9 will be long question from your first flight. There will be 2 long question in your question paper and any 1 question you have to select to answer and you will get 8 marks then. Your last question will also be long question from footprint without feet, and you have to give answer for any one long question, and it will have 8 marks. In this way you will get total 80 marks question paper. Let us see your chapter. In literature, first slide book you are having 11 chapter in prose. Your third chapter is having 2 stories, 2 part is there. In 7 chapter 3 part is there. In your poetry section you are having 11 poem. In your supplementary reader footprint without feed book you are having 10 chapter. Hope student that you have understood that how much syllabus we are going to prepare for our board exam. Hope you will prepare your strategies, how to get good marks, how to cover your syllabus, and in this way you can manage that how much you should give daily for your learning and how much you should devote for your English subject. Thank you student. Have a good day. Bye bye.